Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Travis and this is the Vintage Brickery. Well, today, as you can tell, we're going to be doing another boat, ship. It's actually set number 4030 cargo carrier. It was released in 1987, has 308 parts and 3 minifigures. But I'm going to cut away for a minute. I'm going to try to separate this a little bit and I'll be right back. Hello. Alright, I am back. Alright, got over to my instructions on letsbuilditagain.com and let's get this thing started. Start with the minifigures, of course. Like always. Classic head, solid stud. Black hips, black pants. Whoops. The captain's hat there. He's got the anchor on the lapel there. Cool. Then over here with the Captain Duck. And then we got the two shipmates, or whatever you want to call them. Crew member. Crewman. These are the same way. Got a little black anchor there. Cool. This is the same exact one. Twins. There we go. All right. And starting with the boat weights. This one actually has six boat weights. So let's see, we got all up here at the front. Hidden in there. And one right behind it. Goes right there. And then I've got a 1x6 here, right behind it. Skip 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1x6. Come on now. And this has already got all the stickers on it already. So it's really cool. Just another incredibly awesome set. Gotta figure this out a little bit. There's some. Gotta make sure to. Okay. Sorry, it looks a little different there. I had to figure out where these things actually went. So I had to. Took me a second. Didn't want to bore you with me having to figure out where these things went. But I finally got to where they were. Found out what they were talking about. I wasn't leaving it. There was a little gap. So that I wasn't seeing until I went to the other one here. I'll show you. See if you can see what that is. Okay, this is what I was looking at. And then I went down and looked here. And it gave me a diagram. So I wasn't looking at the gaps. The gaps between the two there. I didn't see those in that. So I was confused. So now I've got it figured out. So we'll get in there correctly this time. All right. So I got that one in there. This, of Of course, this is a much bigger boat, so it's got 6. Yeah, 6 weights in the bottom of this thing. 1x6 there. There's a gap. And we've got 4 empty ones, and then 1x6. And these actually don't even go. They don't even snap in on the bottom. Yeah. I guess there's something that sits on top of them that keeps them together. Alright, now and then I got another gap. Another gap that I didn't see before. There we go. And another 4. And that one right there. Cool. Alright, awesome. Alright, then got a 2x4. It's across the top of these. There. Now looks like a 1x. Yes, it does. There we go. This is how they get tied together there. Come on. There. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1x2s. Go 2 there. 2 there. There, 2 there, and 2 more 1x6, 1x4, 1x6 there. Should have another 1x6 here, there. There we go. Then these should fit right inside here. There's 1. There's 2, and this should go right on top there. All right. Cool. I've got a 1x8. 2 there. Okay. Just a couple 1x4s. A couple 1x3s. All right, 1x3 bricks here. And 1. And 2 1x2s. 1x6. 2. 2. I got just a 2x2 black brick there. This. Now, I don't know why I got so confused. I have actually had this together, but like everything else, it was wrong. so, so this will be the first time it has been together with all the correct pieces. All right. Two. This is one of the. Cause I always had this the hull. I've always had it. It's just always sitting around. Of course, I didn't know. And I had no idea what went with it. So, thank goodness for the internet. The internet finally came along, and here we are. So, I can finally figure out what went to all these things I've been carrying around for years. Moving from place to place. I think we moved. Since I've had these, we have moved. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We have moved 5 times. I've been carrying these around every time. Every move. Okay, I should have one more plate here. There we go. Two more 1x3s. 1x4s, 1x3. I should have another 1x8. Across here. Now I got one. One here. One here. And then should have two. Two of these somewhere. Might take me a second to find the second one here, but there's one. I may cut this part out just a little bit. I'm trying to find this goofy thing. No, come on. Definitely gonna have to cut this part out. I hope I don't lose any of these things while I'm sitting here. Okay, if I don't find this thing here pronto. Finally. Okay. Ooh, not sure how much this I had to cut out, but that was kind of ridiculous. Oh, come on. Trying to get these things straight is tough sometimes. These are the B's. I don't know if you can see that. These are the B clips. All right. Oops. All right. Oh, got two more things here. Two more things up front here. 1, 2. Boy, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. 6. There. All right. Dang it. windows. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I gotta make the fire extinguisher here. And that goes this clip here. Then I got my light gray axe here. Goes on this clip. And make sure. Yeah, there's something. Let's see, what is that? Here we are wrestling with these old instructions. Sometimes they're about as clear as mud. All right. That. And another one by one here. On top of there. Then the one by one brick right there. Brick here. Looks like another one on each side, so another one there, another one here. And I'll have a couple of these Technic bricks here. One there. I should say Technic bricks with the hole there. And another couple of one by one bricks here. Okay, now I got my windows. Got my glass in. Oops. There. This side. This side. And a single one goes right there. All right. Now I got a couple of slopes to go here. Oh, slope pieces there. And I got my turntable. I'll go right there. Couple of slopes, two more slopes. One, two. Same spot. Here. And then I got two more. One by one bricks. One goes here. And if we can find the other one. There it is. There. Okay. Now, set this back just here. Build these cargo lids. Cargo. There we go. Right there. I got two more. three more. Three more of those to build. One. Yeah, one more. More to build. There. Is. Come on now. All right. Now I got a here. Little headlight. There. Now I've got these. So I've got my 1x8. Or 2x8, sorry. 2x8 there. Another there. And I got my these things are lined up. There we go. And make sure I'm caught up here. All right. And let's see, I've got a 2x6 plate. Or is that 2x6? Yeah, that's a 2x6. There it is, 2x6. It's right there. Two 1x4s. There. There. Then goes there. 2x3 brick. I've got two 2x3 light gray plates there. Okay. I got two. One. So one by 8 plates there. Here. Well, we need to sync. There we go. There we go. That's better. Now I've got this little. I'm gonna have to cut away for a minute. I gotta go get the. Of course, there's always something I'm missing. So, but I didn't get the string together for this. So we'll make the string holder here real quick, which is just this here. It's actually kind of like that. Goes in between there. It's kind of an ingenious little mechanism there. All right, cut away. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Got my string tied on there. Back inside here. Alright. Alright, there we go. Couple 1x3s. There. One more over here. Alright, spot. Yeah. Now we're doing 2. Okay. And I got the other 1x1 tiles here. Alright. Now I got more on the bridge here. 1x4. 1x4 goes here. I guess it's the bridge. Yeah. 1x3. Goes over to the side like that. Alright, let's see. 1x6, 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 1x6. Two. Now 1x2, 2, 1x2s. Side here. There's one. Stacked on top of each other. Go on the side there. Now I got 1x, or 2x3 brick. Or 2x3 plate. There it goes right there. Right. Oh boy, let's see. I've got the instructions kind of cut off here. I can make this out. Okay, looks like got these on each side here. Then these 2 ladders on each side here. Light gray. And there's a 2x4 plate there. Okay, let's see. by 2. 1 by 2. And I've got a control panel, blue control panel. Oh, this is called the control panel. There you go. Looks like. And then I've got the bar, fence, whatever, handlebar, safety bar. Those are there. Looks like that's what it does anyway. Alright. Set that back a minute. And I've got to build, looks like the smokestack. Or, well, not smokestack, I'm not sure what this is. Smokestack? One by 2 on top of that. Okay, that just sits right there. See it from the side. Right. Okay. I gotta make sure I got all these in the right order here. Looks like 2 green. 2 green on top of each other there. And they go. Oh. Yeah, let's see. I got. I'm gonna get these on there first. And there's 2 1-bys. Okay. 2 green on this side. I should have 2 red ones here. This is out of there. Together. Okay. Alright, there it is. Oh, not too bad. That goes on that side. And then I've got 2 1-by-2s stacked on top of each other here. Oh, come on, get on there. I got another of that. There's there. Alright, then I got the 2. Got the phone. Rotary phone. And then the control, another control panel. Then just there. And there is a lever. Goes. I'm just gonna take this off for a second so I can stick that on there. Right there. Right, put this back on there. I think I got everything caught up here. Check everything real quick. Nope. Got one more. And it looks like I'm seeing it correctly here. This line goes in here. Another control panel. It goes here. Right there. I'm gonna have to get my other some more line because I got. Anyway, so I got a reel. So goes there. I got my mast there. No, I got looks like I got 1x3 here. 1x3 here. Okay. Oh, I got 1x6. 6 goes across here. All right. Then I've got my wrench there. Goes there. And my hammer goes right there. Okay. Thing's good. I got a 1x6 goes across here. And I got my captain. He's gonna be in here. And everything. Alright. And looks like yes. I've got a 1x1 tile right there. And another 1x1 tile. Somewhere. Alrighty, come on. I have to make another jump cut here. Well, I'm not really seeing one here. Well. Okay, I'm back. Just went and got one. I guess here and try to find it. Find it here in a second anyway. So anyway. Got that there, and then I got another one. See where this goes. Here. One by tile there. Okay. Sure I'm not missing anything there. Alright. Move that out of the way there for a second. This. That. Got 2 of these. Stick these on there. Alright. 1x4 or 2x4 plate. Looks everything in there. Alright, then I got one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inverted slopes there. Then I got a 1x6. 2x3s. And I got 2 windows here. More windows. 2 doubles. 2 sets of doubles. this goes right there. This up so you can take the captain in and out there. Awesome. Boy, they're just geniuses. I swear. Genius. Yeah, looks like I got my string here. Got my string on this one too. Where's this one? Okay, the shorter one. Goes on this side. There. Longer one goes on this side. I can see that. Sure. See anything else? No. So my string there. I have to string this up though. Alright, this is what I do. Little hole there. Then I just tie a knot in the end of it here. As close to the end as I can get it. Alright, and that way does not pull out. Alright. Alright. Reel that in there. Oops. Well, that was good. Things. There we go. Alright. Okay. There's that now. Top of this. It's got the plate, no stud notches on this one here. Should be, yeah. 2x2 plate. Right there. Awesome. Then I got my tie this on the end here. There is a way, special way to tie these, but I don't know what that is at the moment. So we're just gonna make a little slip knot. Maybe. I'm gonna have to pull this out a little bit. this in a little bit more. Again. Come on. Alright, there we go. Now I got another mast up here. All right, now my favorite part of the whole thing, making the containers. Yep. Had these things laying around, had no idea what they went to. And then, hey, what do you know? I found out. So. Yes, okay. That goes there. That goes there. Mixing these here. Well, come on now. There we go. Feet. Flip that over. I got 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see. I think it's the yeah. Gotta which way these go on here? I got one there. I believe it's the this one. Side. 2 plain ones here. All solid stud. This on the front. I got the yellow. Oops. Jeez. Things lined up here. There we go. Shutters or the doors. Front here. There we go. Drop anything. There they go. Right there. Anyway, well, I'll figure it out here a second. I may have missed a piece. So, yeah, I got 2 of those. I gotta make 2 of those. 2 yellows, 2 reds. And 2 red ones here. Cooperate. Cooperate. Get in there. One more of these. Come over now. Alright. Alright, make sure I got everything here. Okay, got this piece. A little light goes up here. And then I got the lights on the top of these. There. And then I got the other little mast piece. Amazes me what they do. Oh, I just find it. There, found it. Yeah, I got an extra. Okay. An extra 1 byte brick. Alright. This goes right up here. Oh, a little better than that. There we go. There's that. And these sit. They're supposed to sit like that. Yes. There we go. this out a little bit here. Some over there. Right. Cool. Little workers on here. One there. And there we have it. All right, well, let's show everybody what we began with. All right, there we go. This is a set I've been sitting on for a very, very long time. It's finally together in all its glory. I hope everybody enjoyed this one. If you did, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button, sharing, subscribing. I'll see you in the next build.
I hope everybody liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a good day.